Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make documents available offline in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into the top left corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on settings. And here under offline, we can tap on this button to turn on this function, which makes recent files available offline. Yeah, or we can just turn this off if we don't want it to function. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.